2024 Best Motorcycle Brands in the World. KTM 690 Enduro R. In the ever-thriving landscape of the 2024 motorcycle industry, KTM, a trailblazer in off-road excellence, introduces the KTM 690 Enduro R. This adventure-focused motorcycle stands as a testament to KTM's commitment to creating machines that excel in both on- and off-road terrains, offering riders an unmatched blend of versatility, precision, and raw power. At the heart of the KTM 690 Enduro R lies a potent 690 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, a masterpiece reflecting KTM's prowess in crafting power plants that strike a harmonious balance between efficiency and performance. The engine's robust power delivery, complemented by advanced electronics and a purpose-built exhaust system, ensures a spirited and versatile riding experience. The 690 Enduro R's powertrain underscores KTM's commitment to providing riders with an adventure motorcycle that not only conquers diverse terrains but also epitomizes precision engineering. Visually commanding, the 690 Enduro R features a design that seamlessly merges aggressive off-road styling with functional ergonomics. Its rally-inspired fairing, rugged chassis, and high ground clearance create a distinctive and unmistakable adventure bike identity. The motorcycle's rider-focused design, including an upright and commanding riding position and practical features like luggage mounts, reinforces KTM's commitment to creating motorcycles that not only perform exceptionally off-road but also cater to the rider's desire for an enriching and comfortable adventure touring experience. On the trail or the open road, the KTM 690 Enduro R excels in handling, agility, and rider-friendly ergonomics. The motorcycle's lightweight chassis, long travel suspension, and adaptable handling contribute to a dynamic and confident riding experience. Whether navigating rocky trails, crossing sandy dunes, or cruising on the highway, the 690 Enduro R provides riders with an adventure motorcycle that effortlessly combines versatility with an exhilarating level of performance. Technological innovation is a key feature of the KTM 690 Enduro R, incorporating advanced features to enhance both performance and rider experience. The motorcycle's comprehensive electronics package, including selectable riding modes, advanced traction control, and a digital display, contributes to a refined and contemporary adventure touring experience. These technological advancements underscore KTM's commitment to providing riders with an adventure motorcycle that not only excels in performance but also integrates the latest in off-road motorcycle technology. In the competitive landscape of motorcycle brands, the KTM 690 Enduro R stands as a beacon of off-road adventure excellence among the best in 2024. It encapsulates the essence of precision engineering, versatility, and raw off-road capability, aligning seamlessly with KTM's legacy of innovation and dominance in the world of off-road motorcycles. For riders seeking an adventure motorcycle that transcends expectations and offers a spirited and enriching touring experience, the KTM 690 Enduro R emerges as an undisputed choice, promising an extraordinary journey through diverse landscapes and untamed wilderness.